3 votes denied you the chance to become the winner of the Afro Music Talent. How did you feel?
I don't feel bad because to me, I feel she stepping stood on to greatness. So that people doesn't mean it.
And you didn't.
So I don't feel bad about it because it's not the first position of itself. I feel great to be here, like being the first winner. This is the first time in history.
Alright, viewers. Alright, viewers, we have AK Crown right here, and he is the first runner-up of the Afro Music Talent. AK Crown, tell us your name.
My name is Adekule Farouk Kuridi, aka Crown, aka Crown Boy, aka King of the Vibe.
Right, you are very, very active, AK Crown. How did you come by the name? What's up with the crown and the name?
Actually, AK Crown stands for Akurede. I purposely did not put that A in front of Akurede. So the crown is the surname Adekule.
So Adekule means crown. That's wonderful. Please, the round of So how long, tell us what genre of music do you do?
Let me say I'm into Afro-pop and anything Afro. And I rap, basically. I'm a
Wow.
Singer and rapper.
You're a singer and you're a rapper. You write the music? It's great. So how long have you been doing music?
Wow. It's been a very long time. Let me see, 2011. Precise.
Wow. 2011, that's quite long. So
12 years now.
12 years complete.
Wait.
Doing
2011. That's 12 years. Wow.
Whoa, that's a very long time.
Amazing.
So what made you intend to contest in the Afro Music Talent? What did you see?
Based on my own perspective, I see it as a privilege just to showcase my talent. Because been to several auditions, I made a lot of them. At the end of the day, it turned out to be what I did not expect. But I just felt I should just try this, give it my work.
So how did you get to meet how did you get to hear about the Afro Music Talent?
I get to meet Elegant Empire on Instagram. So I saw their post. And I was like, I don't really do this. Because I've told myself I don't want to participate in any audition. Let me keep pushing my music. The talk changes my mind that I can still try to do this. And glory to God.
Lots of people would think when they see lots of things online, we're living in a very terrible world. They believe that Elegant probably could be one of the shams out there. So did you also feel it's a scam or something?
Although I don't feel like, because before you get to where you're going to now, there is a lot of ways a lot of places you will need to get to before you hit that place you're going. At a point in time when the voting process started, I was like, who is going to vote for me? Because I don't have the determination of doing this. But I just woke up with and my dad just asked me if he paid so amount of money, how many votes will I be able to get? You see, I was like, when I had to call me and ask me this kind of a question, okay, I replied. So he actually sent me the money and he asked me, are you okay with the votes? I said no. Because this is just the starting point. Before I know it, he just started bombarding me with screenshots of payments.
AK actually is telling us that his parents are in support of his music dreams. These are like a clap for AK. Whoa, so you mean dad actually, dad pushed you through this journey?
Yes, actually, yeah.
It's a great dad.
Wow. On the final day of the competition, it wasn't around, so he traveled to London for the show.
Is that what made you lose to Lewis?
So I went to another dad.
That contributed actually.
Because I was like, I don't want to lose this competition. It was like, what do you want? I said, I need a certain amount of money. I want to use it for both. And he asked me, are you sure what I said? I said, yes. So I actually called Mr. Elegant Daddy to speak with him. So he said, no problem, that is case. And like, he actually did the transfer, he did it. And I moved the payment, so that's good.
Alright, AK Crown, how do you see Elegance now you've been part of the contest and then you've gone this far? What can you tell the viewers about Elegance and Power?
What I would tell the viewers is that no matter what you're doing today, just know tomorrow you're going so many places. Actually, I never thought for the scam because I have to put in my best on everything. So, Elegant Empire is not a scam. They are live and direct to take it to the next step. So they are real.
Thank you very much, AK Crown. So, tell us, you've gone this far and you've been doing music for over 11 years now. So in the next 5 years, would you tell us where you see yourself?
In the next 5 years, let me say I'll be everywhere like MTN.
Everywhere like MTN. So you'll be everywhere in the next 5 years. So what do you expect from Elegant Empire to make you become or to make you everywhere like MTN? What do you expect? What are your expectations?
Short and brief, I want Elegant Empire to invest in me. That's all. To take them to the next step. Because I want to see them competing with other labels in the music. So.
Wait.
All right, please clap him. There are many up and coming artists out there who I want to hear from you. You achieved this feat right now. So what would you like to tell them?
Actually, I have a lot of guys that I had to which I actually tell times that I know man should be up and doing in everything they do. They should wear that spirit of I can access it. Because in this life we have, I don't think there is a let me put it in, I don't think there is any way for you to settle for less or you want to step back achieving your goals. So what I would like to tell viewers is that keep pushing, no matter how the way it may be. Just have it at the back of your mind that one day I'm getting there. So that's all.
Alright, AK, you've got a crown on you already. And there are many fans out there who would like to follow you on your social media handles. I don't know if you can let them know social media handles so they can follow you.
Okay, for those of you that want to follow me on Instagram, you can search for AK_Crown_. On Facebook, AK Crown, and on Twitter, AK_Crown6. That's all.
Thank you very much, AK Crown. Thank you for coming around. That was AK Crown, and 3 votes denied AK Crown becoming the very first winner of this edition of Afro Music Talent. Thank you very much.